What's up guys, I'm back with a new video. So right now today I am showing you how to upload your project on GitHub. So simply open your terminal, change your directory where your project is placed. So I want to upload this project on GitHub. So I am changing my directory. Now you can see that through ls command my project contains these files. Simply I am just initializing my git repository. So first of all I am going to show you how to create your repository. So I am logged in my GitHub account. So new repository, the name of your repository, YouTube video. So I am making my repository public. Right now I am not adding readme file, create repository. So my repository is created. Heading back towards my terminal. So just type git init, means git initialize. So I initialize my git repository in my project, and then I want to upload my all files of my project on git. So I am git add space dot. Now I am git commit dash m my first commit. So now you just simply have to copy the URL and paste, enter, and then again just push your project on GitHub by placing this command git push dash origin master. So type in my username of my GitHub account, that is password of my account, here we go. My complete project is uploaded on GitHub. Refresh my page. So you can see that on my account the repository of YouTube video and the complete project is uploaded. So you can check it out my GitHub as well, and now in repository YouTube videos uploaded. So thank you so much guys.